You might be looking for your first home. You might be thinking about downsizing or adding to your rental portfolio. If you're looking in Bellingham, looking for something under $300,000, this might just be for you. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, townhome style condo here in Bellingham, right across from Alderwood Elementary. We're a hop, skip, and a jump from Bellingham Bay and a lot of beaches, minutes to downtown. And you know what? Let's take a look. Come on. So if you were looking for something that is turnkey, something has super flexible options, this might be the home for you, whether you're downsizing, whether you want to put maybe a renter in here, maybe you want to live here for a while and at some point you're thinking about having a rental. This might be the home for you. With reasonable dues, really low maintenance, if this is the one that might be your next home, give me a call. Love to help with your real estate related goals, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.